Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here you know about a USDINR important levels, targets, news, strategy. If you're interested, please subscribe our YouTube channel and connect here with Telegram channel, link in description. So congratulations friends, today's our buy trade are successfully achieved and our members get a massive profit from it. So connect with the Telegram channel, it's totally free. So get maximum utilization and make your profit. Okay, here USDINR important levels for tomorrow. If USDINR above 72.79, we buy, and the targets are 72.86 and 72.91. In against scenario, if USDINR below 72.69, so we sell, and the targets are 72.64 and 72.60. Okay friends, and here I make it video on how to trade on expiry day, so never miss it. It's a big opportunity, make the profit on the expiry day, so must watch. And please like, share, subscribe with your friend and connect it with the Telegram channel, link in description. Okay, take care, bye bye.